get bent out of shape. This means to become very upset, angry, or agitated about something, often unnecessarily. The idiom get bent out of shape likely originated in the mid-20th century, with bent out of shape metaphorically describing someone becoming distorted or twisted by their emotions. It is commonly used in American English to describe someone who is overreacting. For example, don't get bent out of shape over a simple mistake. Or, he got bent out of shape when he heard the news.